During my sophomore year, we had a subject called Human-Centered Interface, which focused on creating a quality interface that is inclusive to all. This started my eagerness to learn more about UI/UX designing, which led me to binge watch a lot of YouTube tutorials. Design process, all about typography, color theory, and hierarchy. However, watching tons of tutorials wasn't the one that honed my skills and eventually helped me land a freelance job, which includes single-handedly designing a mobile and web application. It was the constant practice and persistent on trying, even though my first few designs did not even make sense. With that, I would encourage my co-students to try even though they are not good at it at first. The goal is not perfection, but little by little progress. As they say, our small efforts, when accumulated, will help us a long way. This experience did not only help me to be more persistent on my goals, but also to be persistent on others and push them to try the things that scares them, or apply to positions that they think they are not qualified to apply to. Sometimes, all it takes is to have at least one person to believe in us that we can do great things beyond what our mind tells us so. And if I could help ignite a fire within someone, then I would gladly do it. And I hope it could also spark within them to help and encourage someone along their way who needs a little more encouragement until we create a community that thrives and celebrates one another.